What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my very first action camera. So I've been researching and wanting to pick up an action camera for a while, and it was going to be between this one that I picked up, the DJI Asmo Action Camera, and the GoPro Hero Black 7. And after doing some research, the one reason I picked this up is because of the little string on the front of the camera. As far as I can tell, it looks like the GoPro may have a little bit richer color, deeper colors, saturated colors, but this one's supposed to be pretty good too. Now, at the time of this, making this video, this is reduced to $120 on price at Best Buy. So it's $249, and the GoPro Hero Black 7 is $249. Now, I didn't consider the GoPro Hero Black 8 because of the little lens cover you can't remove on it. So I picked this up, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can go get it. But I'm pretty excited about having my very first action camera. And from what I understand, the Asmo Action Camera is pretty good. So let's take a look at a few of the product features here. So it has Live the Action. Also has 12.3 megapixel Sony IMX577C OMS image sensor, which is supposed to be a pretty good sensor. Action OS, take your perfect shot. So this records 4K up to 60 frames per second at 100 megabytes per second. This has more dynamic detail with HDR video recording. Rock steady, made to move. So this has combines EIS with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage, no matter how heavy the action gets. It has 8x slow motion. So when you use 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution, it records at 240 frames per second, and that creates high clarity and details. Custom exposure, it allows up to 120 seconds of exposure with manual and semi-automatic settings. You have time-lapse, time shooting mode where you can shoot raw shots. This has voice capture for taking pictures and filming, and it's water resistant up to 36 feet. Multi-cord slot, and it uses USB Type-C interface and DJI Memo app. So you can connect this with an app and do some things like that. So here's the box. Like I said, I'm pretty excited about this. The box just tells you that it has dual strings, 4K HDR, waterproof, rock steady, 4K 60p, 1080p, 8x. And it gives you a list of stuff that's coming in here. And that's it. So let's jump in the box, see what we got. Now, I'm not going to demo this today. Just doing an unboxing, and a few days after I get used to it, then I'll come back and do a demo. So let's see how you get in this box here. So here's another piece of tape right here. There we go. So wow, there's the little camera. Very small, man, for what I thought it was going to be. So here's the first box, and let's see what's in this. Alright, so see what we got here. So the first thing we have is a mount here with a sticky back on it. That's I guess that would go to your wherever you want to mount it. Here's another sticky back, made a little bit different mount. And you get your charging cable here. Get a couple of cables here. So Type-C to USB-A. And you get a thumb screw here, and also you get your pamphlets, Asmo Action booklet here, and that, and then you get your charging brick. So here is the camera, and there it is. Very small, tiny, man. I really wasn't expecting it to be this small, but there's the front lens there, little sticker on it. Here's the front screen. There it is. So awesome looking little product here. And then we have a stick on the back here. So we're going to go ahead and take it out of this little cage here. Now I've only watched videos on this, so there it is. And just push it out. Excuse me. Just push it out like that. But there's your little power button there. And this is how you mount it. So very easy to come out. That's the top of it there. You can switch the displays there. That's on the little cage. But here's the camera, and it's missing the battery. So this is the battery. I said this was a charger. So here's the battery. All right, guys, kind of excited there. So here's the battery, and this is the little carrying case for the battery. Okay, so here it is. So let's go around the camera here. So you got your quick select button right here. You got your little compartment right here where you can put your micro SD card and your Type-C charging, Type-C cable right there. You do have your microphone over, your speaker over here, your microphone at the top. You got your record button, you got your power button. You do have a microphone there, and on the front you have a little grill here to keep this from being getting overheated as well. Let's go ahead and pop the battery in. And when you put the battery in, the battery just pops in like that. But from what I understand, if you see orange color like that, then it's not properly seated. So once you press it in more, that orange should go away. That battery does have a seal around it. And yeah, so pretty nice, man. This is made out of some kind of plastic. Has a rubbery grip feel here. Let's go ahead and power it on for the first time. Well, there it is. So I'm going to have to go through and set this up. But very, very tiny, man. And something I forgot to point out as far as in this battery carrying case here, you do have a slot right there to carry a micro SD card as well. And yeah, so a lot of stuff here. Let me go ahead and put my information in, and then we'll try to take a look at a little bit of the OS. Okay, guys. So after putting in the date and the time, stuff like that, my battery's about to die on here. It's giving me a little tutorial of what I need to do here. I don't have a SD card in here right now, but right here, this is telling me about enable or disable rock steady. I can go through, and this is the frames 4K if I want to shoot in 4K. You can set whatever you want to shoot in right here. Then if I swipe from the top, what is this? Create and manage custom mode. Okay. So I'm not going to do that right now. This is the brightness. So we're going to get out of that. This is the screen lock, which I'm not going to do right now. And you got your settings here. So you got voice control, snapshot, quick switch, wireless connections, sounds, just all of your settings there. And this is also voice control. You got auto rotation there. You got enable spot metering, your voice here, voice dictation, and then full screen view. So this is, like I said, this is more or less just an unboxing, and then I can go over here and look like I can set my ISO max, different things like that. I got some stuff to learn here. So this doesn't have an SD card in it, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about using this. Okay, so let me demonstrate how you can swap from this string to the front. So the back string is touch string, the front string is not. So just double tap, and as you guys can see, there I am there, and that is the front little string. But this is not, it's not touch interactive. So to swap back, just double tap, and there it is. So this is going to be pretty cool. I am very much excited about using this. I need to pick up some more accessories, but I'm going to try and use this for my YouTube, as well as taking it out and getting out and doing some things outside, and maybe do with the front facing string there. Maybe I can do a little bit of start doing some front, in front of the camera videos as well. So that is a look at the DJI Asmo Action Camera. Pretty excited about having it. Stay tuned for some more videos. I'll demo it in a few days. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.